Hey guys, what's happening? How to DCA in Jupiter, or how to dollar cost average trade in Jupiter. So go ahead and open up the website or app on your phone, right? And make sure to show the chart, okay? In my case, I won't be able to see the buying option, so I'm gonna go to the perps in order to show you. And you have the long, short, and limit or swap, DCA, VA type trading, right? So you can use that on the spot, but I won't be able to see the buying or trading option because they don't show it here, right? But in the perps, you're gonna be able to see the multiple options, right? And you can buy or sell the coin, okay? In order to do that, you need to connect your wallet. So you need to connect one of these top wallets on Jupiter, and you're gonna be able to access the options. But just like the screenshot, you're gonna be able to see swap, limit, DCA, and the spot trading, right? Select the coin, obviously, and select the amount of money that you want to allocate for that trading, and you can set the limit like every 2 minutes, every 2 hours, or every 2 weeks or 2 months, whatever. That DCA or the bot will buy at the highest or lowest price to make you earn more from that coin. So basically, just like the screenshot, you're gonna be able to head the coin and add the timing and the price range. Okay, and basically that's it. That's my other comments. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you the next time.